Hey there! With the 2024 growing season already started, we have some exciting news to share. We've been working hard on our urban gardening plan and are thrilled to say it's all set for the upcoming season. We've rotated all the vegetable plots according to our crop rotation practice and selected crops that have produced a high yield. Our urban garden is a no-till, raised row, organic garden that we've been perfecting for over 10 years. We grow our vegetables in crop rotation to avoid depleting the soil and to control weeds, pests, and diseases. The garden is divided into two 20 by 10 foot gardens, each split into two 10 by 10 foot plots where vegetables are grown according to their type: root, leaf, legumes, fruit. Our backyard garden is located in the suburbs of the Western Branch area of Chesapeake, Virginia. The property is less than 3/4 of an acre, and we use approximately 450 square feet in the backyard. We're all about quality over quantity, so we give each plant plenty of room to grow and increase its yield. During the winter, we mix organic compost from our compost pile into each row and use no fertilizer, pesticides, or herbicides in the garden. We're excited to see what the upcoming season has in store for us, and we hope you are too.